This is my grape salad. I make it every year and I never really get to taste it because it's gone. If you take it to a potluck, you better have some at home because you won't get any. First thing we're going to need is we're going to need a pretty bowl to put it in. Now we're going to wash our grapes. So we need 16 ounces or 2 packages of softened cream cheese. Okay, we have 16 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, okay, now we need 2/3 cup of sugar. I hear my little grandson in here. They just all goes together.
What are you doing?
I am making a grape salad. You want a grape? You want a grape?
Yeah, I want to help you. I want to help
You want to help me? Okay. You want to wash your hands? You don't want to wash your hands?
No.
Don't you think we should? Can Grandma wash them?
Okay. I'm going to put this.
Here, let's wash your hands. Stay right there. Okay, get up. So we need 2 cups of sour cream. This is a 2-cup measure. We're going to fill this up. And this is really all there is to it. We're going to add some brown sugar. He's going to piddle with the grapes here. Is that good? Ooh, I tapped it. And that's it. I'm gonna mix it for us. You wanna mix it? He don't like noises, but I'm trying to get him where he'll get used to if he does it himself. And that ain't bad, is it? You wanna do it? Then you gotta sit up here just a little bit closer. All right. Go ahead. You gotta keep it in the bowl. Move it around. You can use 2 hands if you want to. Yeah, like that. Your daddy used to do this.
Yeah?
Yeah. They used to help me make cupcakes.
Where?
I can remember making cupcakes or anything with my kids. If I can remember, I'm going to put a photo of my little babies. But there ain't nothing like grandkids, y'all. Grandkids, they the bomb. Ain't that right? Okay, I think we're good. Good, ain't it? You like that, don't you? Can Grandma make you a grape salad to take home with you?
No.
Great grandma gave me these, didn't she? Yeah. So my mama, which is his great grandmama, shelled all these pecans, and we're gonna put them in the grape salad. We're gonna put just a little bit on the bottom.
I want to get that. I want that in it.
Okay, let me put some grapes in here. Make sure there ain't no little stems on them. Just put the red grapes first. We're gonna put the red grapes first. Yeah, you put the red grapes in. Just like that. No, just the red grapes. Put the red grapes in first.
Yeah, and how not that on it? If they have not that.
I'm gonna put all red in first.
We have it.
A layer of red grapes. Kind of push them down in there. Yeah, like that.
We got to here.
Okay, a little bit more right on top. About a cup of brown sugar for this, or maybe a half a cup. Between a half a cup and a cup of brown sugar, you just kind of eye it. Okay, I'm going to show you what we're going to do. We're just going to sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar right there on top. Okay?
Okay.
All right, that's good. We don't need no more brown sugar. We're good, okay? Now we got to put some more grapes. You can put green now. We'll put green.
I'm going to put, no, you have to get red one.
Yeah, I'm going to have to cut these in half. Let's cut the green ones in half.
One more?
Yep, now we're going to put a little bit of this on.
I want to try that.
You want to try this?
Yeah.
Okay, you put that on. Good, now put some of that on.
Okay.
Very good. Now we're just going to spoon it. Just like that.
Yeah, like that.
Uh-huh.
What?
We're going to sprinkle with a little bit of brown sugar.
I want to try.
You want to try some brown sugar? Here,
Yeah.
you do that. A little bit of brown sugar. Put some more on there.
I'll put it one.
Yeah, put it all around around the side where there ain't none. Yeah, get some more and put it right there. All right, now that is good. Let's put some nuts on it.
I want to try that.
Okay, you put some nuts right in there. Just like that. All right, now let's get some red and green grapes. Let's do it all.
I love grape.
You love grapes? I know you do. Very good. Grandma's going to get over here and she can help you.
That's good. I'm going to make the grape and grape.
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun. Look at there. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to put some frosting on the top.
Yeah, I'm going to try that.
You want to try it too?
Okay.
You put the brown sugar on.
Okay.
You take that and put on. What's that called? Brown sugar?
Yeah, don't look.
You put that on. Okay? You put the brown sugar on. Kind of spread it out. Yeah, you're doing good. Very good. Very good.
Yeah, I could.
Now put some on this side right there. Very good. All right. We got that brown sugar in there. It's going to be good, Axel. Put some nuts all in there.
And that on here.
Some good old pecans. Off the pecan tree, huh?
Right there. Right there. I just off.
All right. I'm going to put a little bit more icing right on here. Okay. Now, let's cut these green grapes.
And it will get dark.
Yep, it's getting dark. Grandma's cooking late today, huh?
Yeah.
We got Thanksgiving tomorrow, don't we?
Yeah.
It gets wider up top, so we'll need a little bit more. What's Santa Claus bringing you?
He bring me a red bike.
A red bike. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle some brown sugar right on top here.
I want to try.
Okay, he's going to sprinkle.
No.
Uh-oh, that's okay. Okay, now let's put this on.
I'm going to try this.
You can get me some, once we get this on,
I want to get that.
we are going to,
I want to get this.
we're going to be done. Now, I'm going to put this on so we can be finished with it, okay?
Okay. I'm going to get this. I'm going to at it.
What else is Santa Claus gonna bring you?
A red.
A red bite.
Yeah, a red bite.
Now, let's just sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar right on top of this. And let's put grapes on it, and we are done, Axel. Try this. We're gonna lick the bowl a little bit. Try that. What do you like? You like that? You like that, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
A few more pecans, and we are done.
Yeah. Hey, can we?
No, we don't need no more grapes on it. We are done.
I'm trying to eat that.
I think this is his first time he's had grape salad, and he's 3 years old. This is my beautiful grape salad.